Diamond Peel Microdermabrasion is one of the facial treatments many customers seeking better complexion turn to today, and with good reasons. It is an affordable and convenient solution to most of their skincare problems, providing instant results with minimal downtime. Diamond Peel is a non-invasive and mechanical procedure that helps to remove dead skin cells, dirt, and excess oil on the skin surface. It improves the appearance of your skin by revealing younger and radiant skin underneath in an instant. Diamond Peel is an effective procedure, particularly if you're struggling with enlarged pores, blackheads, whiteheads. Both men and women of any age are qualified to undergo Diamond Peel, but with an exception for those with active acne lesions, open skin, or irritated skin. At Wellaholic, we offer Diamond Peel Microdermabrasion as a standalone treatment, or as part of our Elight Facial Collagen Boost monthly facial packet. At Wellaholic, do you know you can look 6 years younger in just 3 months? Elight Facial Collagen Boost is a 6-step technology facial backed by scientific research. Elight incorporates various technology treatments such as radiofrequency, Diamond Peel Microdermabrasion, LED cell regeneration, retinol, and Refaf facial massage. The Elight treatment's designed as an affordable, unlimited monthly package with weekly visits to bring out the best consistent results in flawless, younger-looking skin. The Elight treatment helps heat tissue and stimulates subdermal collagen production, as well as to time the skin and reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Elight is also able to reduce pimples and acne with its high energy waves. Elight Facial Collagen Boost was awarded Best Rejuvenating Facial by the Daily Vanity Spa and Beauty Awards. Elight Facial Collagen Boost treatments are priced at just $200+ a month and include 4 weekly visits. For each visit, you will enjoy 6 treatments, which will without doubt refresh and rejuvenate your skin, giving you a flawless, younger appearance. Why are Wellaholic's prices so affordable? This is in line with Wellaholic's vision to provide affordable aesthetic treatments that work, with transparent pricing and no hard selling. Wellaholic locates our outlets at convenient locations near MRT stations, but with more affordable rents, so that we can pass our cost savings back to our customers. The result? Happy customers, as seen from over 1,000 positive customer reviews on Google Reviews and TripAdvisor reviews. We provide excellent customer service and focus on creating a relaxed and comfortable environment for our customers. We do not hard sell. Instead, we let our services speak for themselves. At Wellaholic, we are constantly reviewing our brand promise, which is to provide affordable treatments for our customers and help our customers see results with treatments that are backed by science and research. We always work to ensure availability of capacity and slots so that customers can make bookings easily online. We look forward to seeing you at Wellaholic. Check out our website at wellaholic.com. Or to make a free booking, go to Wellaholic Live/book. See you.